Today's video, I'll show you guys how to run NFS Most Wanted 2005 in true full screen with a proper widescreen support on modern PCs. So all you have to do is check my video description for this widescreen fix, select the download option, and you just need to wait for 10 seconds. Now select the download now option. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close tab here, right click on the game icon on the desktop and select open file location. Just try and drop these two files inside of a game folder and select replace the file the destination and select do this and select continue. Open the scripts folder, right click on the widescreen fix and select edit in notepad. Just right click on the desktop and select display settings. This is our monitor resolution, guys. So just type the first value of the monitor resolution in X 1920, in my case 920 in 2080 1080. After typing two of the values in X and Y, select the file and select save and just close up here and launch the game, and the game should launch in the monitor's fit resolution, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.